Hi, lovely people. You are all warmly welcome back again to Veba's Kitchen, and I believe you are doing great. Kindly stay with me till the end, and let me share with you how I made this delicious and extra flaky fried egg pie. You love it. The filling is amazing. It's kind of spicy, and it goes well with the crust. You will love this recipe. Okay, so don't forget to like, share, comment on the video. As always, your girl appreciated. Alright, so without wasting my time, lovelies, let's begin. In the saucepan, I'm boiling my eggs, and so soon they are all ready. So I'll turn off the heat for us to make our filling. In the frying pan, I'm adding my olive oil, and I'll use my spatula to spread it. Once it's heated, I'll add my chopped onion, just like so. I'll give it a gentle stir as it's frying, and then I'll wait until it's golden brown. So next, I'm going ahead to add my blended ginger and garlic. Again, I will stir gently for them to release their flavors together. And after 3 minutes, I'm going ahead to add my tomatoes. And again, I'll give it a gentle stir to mix everything, just like so. Then I'll add the rest of my ingredients. And I've got my red bell peppers. I've got my cucumber. I've also got my carrots. Beautiful. And again, you stir to mix everything gently. Okay? So I'll stir for them to also release their flavors together. And then 2 minutes later, I'll add my cayenne pepper for heat and also my chicken seasoning also for flavor. You can use any seasoning of your choice. Okay? Stir to mix everything together just like so. And I love the aroma already. So beautiful. Next, I'm adding salt to taste, and again, I will stir to mix everything together until the salt is well incorporated. Next, lovelies, I'm going ahead to add water to the filling to loosen it up a bit because it's kind of thick for my liking. And last but not the least, I'll add my red onion for color and for flavor. Just like so. Again, you stir to mix everything together. And at this point, I will lower the heat, go ahead to remove the shells of the eggs and cut them into two or halves and add them to our filling. Okay, so here we go. You can also cut them into any shape and sizes of your choice. Okay, we are all done now. So let's add them to our filling, just like so. Next, I'll gently stir to kind of cover the eggs with the filling or the sauce just like so, so that the eggs will also absorb the flavors of the sauce or filling, just like so. So I'll cover it up for it to properly absorb the flavors for like 2 minutes. So while they are absorbing the flavors, let's proceed to make our pie crust. And in the bowl, I'm adding 6 cups of plain flour or all-purpose flour. Okay. Next, I'm adding baking powder. Next, I'm adding brown sugar. And next, I'm going ahead to add my nutmeg powder for flavor. Next, I'm adding onion powder also for flavor and my milk powder and salt to taste. Now, mix everything together nicely and beautifully, okay? Lovelies, don't forget to like, share, comment on the video. So now I'm kind of making a well in the middle so that I can add my butter, okay? Lovelies, I will leave the list of all the ingredients and their measurements in the description box below. So check it out and try this out and thank me later. Okay, so now you mix everything together just like so. And in the end, this is what we are going for. The flour and butter mix should be like sandy-like in texture. Okay, now I'm making a bowl in the middle to add my evaporated milk. You can add whole milk or even water. Okay, so now again mix everything together to form a dough. Okay, and if it's your first time here, hey, you are warmly welcome. I would love to have you here on the channel to enjoy more of my amazing recipes. So please subscribe to join this amazing family. Don't forget to also click on the bell button to receive updates whenever I upload new videos. Yeah. So now we are all done. I'm going to clean the work surface and straight away you just flatten out our crust to make our pie. Okay. So I've added flour to the rolling pin so that it doesn't stick to the pie crust. Okay, and also it will be easy for me to move my hands around just like so. I love the beautiful aroma already. The pie crust smells so good. Now, lovelies, after rolling on one side, let's turn the pie crust over and roll on the other side as well. And after that, we just cut them out into round shape or even square shape. Just cut them out into any shape of your choice, okay? We are all done now, and I love the thickness of the pie crust. So now let's cut them out into round shapes. Yeah, this is beautiful, isn't it? Now let's put it on the side. Bring all the pieces together and again flatten them out and cut them out until all the pie crusts are done. Okay, I hope it's clear. This is it. Beautiful. I love how smooth it is. Amazing. Lovely. Please don't forget to like, share, comment on the video. Okay, help your girl to spread the word. After putting aside all the cut out pieces of the pie crust, you again flatten them out and cut them out just like so. You keep on doing that until all the pie crusts are done, as I said earlier. Okay, so now I'm going to just show you how our egg filling is looking like. So far, so good, beautiful aroma. I love this, and the eggs have really absorbed all the flavors of the filling or sauce, and they taste so great. So now I'm going to add the filling to the pie crust, but before that I'll just use my rolling pin to stretch the pie crust out a little bit, and now I'm adding my filling. This smells so good. Lovelies, I've already added water to the edges of the pie crust, so now it's time to just bring it together like this. Bring it together and then make sure the edges are sealed properly with your index finger or any of your fingers, just like so. And now use your fork to make a design at the edges. At the same time, use the fork to seal the edges properly. Okay, yeah, beautifully done. So now let's set it on the side and then repeat yourself until all the pie crusts are well filled and well sealed, just like so. And here we are. Isn't this amazing? So here is the thing. I've divided the pies into two, and these ones right here before me are the ones I'm going to fry, and you can see they have no holes or glossiness at the top, but the ones I'm going to bake have some glossiness at the top as well as some holes as designs at the top. And you all can see that. Also, some of the pies have no fillings in them because that's how my kids love their pies anyway. Ooh, these pies smell so good. At this point, I'm preheating my oven to put the pies that I'm going to bake in it. And I'm also getting my oil ready to pour some in my wok to start frying my pies. Yeah, so here you go. I'm using olive oil, and you can use any oil of your choice. Now the oil is heated, so I'm adding my pies, just like so. Make sure the heat is not too much at this point or else the pies will burn, and I'm so sure you do not want that. So let the pies fry on medium heat, okay? So far so good. My pies are ready. I love the beautiful color. Lovelies, this is the end of my video, and I hope you've been inspired. For more of my videos, please follow me on Instagram, like and follow my Facebook page. Follow me as well on TikTok and Twitter for more updates. Now check this out. Very rich, so flaky, not in the mouth, and very, very tasty. What more can I say? A very big thank you to all my subscribers and followers for always supporting your girl. I can't thank you enough. God bless you all. Thanks for watching. See you all in my next one. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, be good, take care, and enjoy. Toodles. Peace out.